Oke. Nah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, Mister.
Good morning, Mister. Good morning, my
Good morning, my
friend.
friends. Nah, so we can see here ya, Mister ya. How are you, Mister?
I'm fine, Mister.
Are you sure that you are
Yes, I'm
today?
fine, Mister.
Mister, what we are doing today, Mister?
We will play together, Miss.
Do you want to play with me, Mister? Are you sure that you want
Yes,
to play?
I'm sure. I'm with you, Mister.
What kinds of toys that we want to play today, Mister?
We will play about soil.
What is it? Soil?
Soil.
What is soil? S? Woo!
Oh,
Fresh ya, Mister ya. Soil plus S ya. S O I L. What
Soil.
is this, Mister?
Soil is Indonesia in bahasa ya. Tanah, Miss.
Tanah.
Tanah.
Tanah. And in Japanese is
Lembah. In Japanese lembah.
okay. Nah, but before we learn about soil, Mister, I have clue here, Mister.
Yeah.
Nah, this is our earth, yeah. This is our earth. That you can live here, Mister. You
Yeah.
live here?
I live here, Miss.
Are you sure that
Yes,
you
I
live
live
here?
here.
Where is your place, Mister? Where is? Wait. Nah, where is your place?
Indonesia.
Where is Indonesia here? This is Mister.
This is-
Right that you don't see ya. This is Indonesia. Yeah. Nah, Mister, what is globes? I'm
Globes.
sure that my friends don't know what is the meaning of globes here. Maybe that you can explain, Mister. What is globes?
Kalau is miniatur, Miss ya.
Yeah, globes is a little earth that is like a miniature of our earth. Nah, but Mister, why that in this globe here there are many
Many
kinds
colors.
of colors? Yes, why? Yeah, there is blue
Green.
and green. Nah, what is means of blue color here, Mister? Can you explain to me, Mister?
Blue.
Blue color, where are you?
Blue for
Blue for
sea.
sea. Nah, for sea, you can see. Not you can
No.
see ya, not you can see. Nah, what is the meaning of sea, Mister?
Laut, Miss.
Laut, ya. This is blue, not blue kuduk. What is the meaning of blue kuduk, Mister?
In water, Miss. Kalau blue.
Yeah, that if you want to swim in the water, the sound is like bluguduk. Nah, and then Mister, there is green color here. Green color, where are you? Nah, green for?
For grass.
Are you sure that you live on the grass?
No. Green for land.
Nah, that's right. Yeah.
Not grass, Miss ya.
No, yeah. That green here, the color of green here, it show about
About
land.
land.
What is land?
Land
Land.
in bahasa
What is
daratan.
Daratan. Yeah. That the blue color is
Sea.
and green color here
Is land.
is land. Nah, if you live on the land, Mister, what kinds of things that you can find here?
Rocks.
Rocks. What is rocks? Not that the women wear every day? Rocks?
No.
No. What is the name?
This is
Yes, this is rocks, yeah. Nah, but what do you find here, Mister? You have many kinds of rocks here. This is, and the last here.
Okay, Miss, there are
Nah,
4 kinds.
Yeah, 4 kinds of rocks here, yeah. Nah, but where do you find here, Mister?
In mountain.
Are you sure?
Mm-mm.
Then have you visited in the mountain?
Yes, I visited in mountain.
What kinds of mountain that you ever visited?
Mm.
The same mountains or maybe the others mountains?
The same.
Okay, nah, so we can find some kinds of rocks here in the mountain, and then
In the sea.
in the sea, yes, and then
Mm.
have you ever visited in the cave, Mister?
Oh, underground cave.
Right,
Yeah.
okay. What is this?
In
In the seashore, Mister.
In the seashore.
Yes, seashore. Yeah. Now you can find the kinds of rocks here in the mountain, and then sea, underground cave, and then seashore. Okay, not seashore, yeah, but seashore. Nah, the pronouns of seashore, not seashore. Nah, seashore is different, yeah, Mister. Yeah. Okay. Now, Mister, but where is the location of the rocks itself? Do you know where is, Mister? You have mentioned 4 places that you can find some rocks, and then so where is the locations of rocks that you can find?
Rocks.
Yes.
In under.
Under. What kinds of? What is under?
Under bawah.
Di bawah. Nah,
Under the soil. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure, Miss.
Under or in the soil?
Under.
Under or in the soil?
Under in the soil.
in the soil, Mister. You can check after this, so you can go home and you can find some rocks. Nah, I'm sure that you can find some kinds of rocks in the soil, Mister. Yeah, but Mister, you have to show me that you have 4 kinds of rocks here. Do you know what is? Yeah, there are 4 kinds of rocks here. Now, do you know, Mister, what is the names for each rocks here, Mister? Can you show me?
One by one.
Okay. What is this? This is the marble, Mister?
No.
What is this?
Sandstone.
Right.
Sandstone.
Okay, this is sandstone. And then so what is this, Mister?
This is granite.
Nah, right. This is granite stone. Yeah. And this is what is this, Mister?
This is limestone.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure limestone.
But why that this is like
This
plants? It contains of
fossil.
yes, but it contains of fossil, and this is the fossil of plants, yeah, Mister. Yeah.
Fossil of plants.
But I have ever heard about fossil, but I don't know what is fossil itself.
Fossil itself.
Yes, what is fossil?
I don't know.
Fossil. I think that fossil is the remains of living things that died a very long time ago, Mister. Nah, living things, whatever this is, a human, plants, or animals. Nah, if died a very long time ago in the soil, so it names of fossil. Like this, yeah. This is limestone. That the stone contains of fossil. Okay, right, Mister?
Okay,
Nah,
and the last.
And the last, what is this, Mister?
This is marble.
Marble. Marble, that is not like the toys play to
No.
play marble.
No, Miss.
But what is marble?
Marble.
Batuan? Marble stone.
Marble stone.
Yes.
Batu gamping.
Are you sure? And how about limestone?
Iron is
Nah, this is limestone.
This is limestone, batu gamping.
Batu gamping. And this is marble stone. Batu
marmer.
But Mister, what is the characteristic of this stone, Mister?
I know. Smooth.
Smooth, not smooth. Not smooth if you want to eat the sweet
No.
food. No, that is not, yeah. This is smooth, yeah. Nah, this is smooth, yeah, when polished. Nah, the characteristic of the marble stone, like this, yeah, marble stone. This stone is smooth when polished. But Mister, sometimes of marbles have a nice patterns and colors. Nah, do you know what is the color, Mister?
The color is marble gray.
Gray. Nah, this color is gray. Nah, sometimes there is a marble stone that the color of pink and white and the others, Mister. Yeah. And this is, you see to me that this is sandstone.
Sandstone.
Nah, it's so small, yeah, Mister. Yeah. What is the characteristic of sandstone? This is, Mister. Sandstone. According to me, that if we attention this stone is made up of layers of grains.
Oh,
It is
layers of
right?
grain.
Nah,
Like
yes.
this.
Nah, this is the example of sandstone.
Sandstone.
That this stone is made up of layers of
Grains.
grains. Now, you see to me that there are 4. Now, the last here. This is granite tiles, Mister. Now, granite tiles. So, how about the characteristic of this stone here, Mister?
It's so hard.
Yes, right. Yeah, that granite stone is hard and has large grains. Now, this is granite tiles. Usually that we can use to make if you want to stay at home and you can see your floor. Now, we can use granite tiles. It's from the granite stone. Okay. Now, this is rocks that we can find some kinds of rock in the earth. Are you sure in the earth? In the earth and in the mountain, and then in the sea and underground cave and in the seashore. Okay, but especially we can find some kinds of rocks here in the soil, Mister. Now, but we have to soil here, Mister. So Mr. Ikhwan will explain you what kinds of the soil here. Nah, how many kinds of soil here that we can use, Mister? 2. Okay, what is this?
Sandy soil.
Sandy soil. So you can see. Nah, sandy soil. And number 2 here.
Sandy soil in bahasa. What is this?
Sandy soil, sandy pasir.
Pasir ya.
Soil tanah. Nah, tanah berpasir. Nah, this is sandy soil. And number 2,
clay soil.
Clay soil. Okay. Clay. What is the meaning of clay?
What is the meaning of clay?
Clay soil. I think that clay soil in Indonesia itu tanah liat, Mister. Nah, okay. Nah, Mr. Ikhwan and Miss Yuda here wants to show little experiments. Yeah. Nah,
we'll play together.
Yeah, we will play together today. Yeah, because we are scientists, yeah, Mister. Yeah. Nah, so but before that, Mister, so you have to introduce one by one what kinds of tools that we have to prepare before we do our experiments today. Okay.
Prepare sandy soil.
Yeah. Okay. And number 2, clay soil. Okay. You can take your sandy soil and clay soil. Okay. And then so we have to put 2 glasses here. Now, so you can see for each glasses there is the name of sandy soil and clay soil here. Okay. And next, what is this, Mister?
And next you can.
We need. Nah, this is. I'm sure that you have it, yeah. So 2 plastics here. Okay. Now, why, Mister, that we need these things? What for? Filter, yeah. It's like filter, yeah. We can use this plastic here to make a filter. Okay. Filter. Do you know what is the meaning of filter?
Filter.
I don't know, Mister. F-I-L-T-E-R. What is the meaning, Mister? Filter.
In bahasa buat saringan.
Saringan, yeah, saringan. That's right, yeah. And the last, Mister, you are forget. The last thing that you don't mention. What is this, Mister?
What is this?
This is the color of green here. What is this? Water, not watermelon, yeah, Mister. That is not. But you have to need water, not watermelon. It's different. Okay, Mister.
Okay,
we can show how to do it the first. At the first step. Nah.
Jadi itu.
Nah, at the first step that you have to make a filter. So like this. Maybe that you can show it one. You can show it.
I will make filter.
Like this, yeah. And then so, what for? What kinds of thing that we can use to combine it, Mister? We have to use double tip. Nah, so you can combine for this plastic here by using double tip. Now you can show Mister how to combine it. Okay, like this. Now, okay, the second, Mister. How many double tip that we have to use, Mister? 2, yeah. 2. Okay. 2 pieces of double tips. Okay.
Yes, Mister. 2 pieces of double tip.
Okay.
And
very
then
good.
I got it.
Where is your scissor? Now, wait. Okay, where is your scissor, mister?
This is my scissor.
Okay. So we have to cut it here, yes. Where did we have to cut it? To make it nicely, yes, right.
Yes, miss, to make it nice.
That you usually make it, mister, at home. Mr. Ikwan tukang saring ya. Not filter of girls ya, mister ya. Nah, after this, this is the result of the filter ya. So you can make it by yourself at home, okay? And then, nah, after you finish to make it, so you can put this plastic filter here on this plastic bag.
I will see
what?
the hole.
Oh yes, so the hole has the same, yeah, mister?
The same.
Yes, if different, so I'm sure that the result is different too. So we have to the same the hole for each filter here. Okay? Nah, okay. After finish, so you can put the plastic filter here on the plastic glass. Yeah? Nah, like this. Okay. Finish, mister? Okay.
Finish, miss.
I can show it here. Okay. But after this, now what's the next step?
The next steps.
There is sandy and clay. Nah, so we have to
put sandy.
Nah, this is sandy soil, so that you have to put sandy soil here.
Put in the filter.
Yes, and this is clay soil. Nah, so we can put in clay soil plastic glass here. Oh, be careful, mister. Nah, like this, yeah. But before that, so maybe we can show it, mister, the difference between clay and sandy soil, mister. So we can show. Now, this is clay soil. So you can see here, this is the clay soil. Clay soil is made up of a very small grains, yeah. And how about the sandy soil, mister?
Sandy soil made
up of
ini big grains.
Nah, like this, yeah. It is different, yeah. That means you repeat once again, yeah. That clay soil you can see here. Nah, in clay soil here, nah, it's made up of a very small grain. So there is small grains here, but it's different. In this sandy soil. Sandy soil here is made up of a big grains here, yeah. Okay. Now after this, mister. Now, what is the next step?
The next step?
Do you want to drink, mister?
No.
Huh? Are you sure that you don't thirsty? Okay. Now, after this,
take the water.
yes.
And
So we can put the water on
the
this
filter.
soil. Okay, in the filter. It's like ice cream, yeah, mister.
It's like ice cream.
And then.
And then clay soil in the filter.
Okay, good. Okay. Now after this, so we can attention, yeah, mister, yeah. Which ones of the glass here that the water is more, and which one of the glasses here that the water is less. Now, so you can see here. Maybe that we can show here. Now we can show. We can see here, mister.
Okay.
Now you can see here.
You can see here.
Now how?
This is
Which one of places that more water here, mister?
The more water here.
Sandy or clay, mister?
Sandy soil, miss.
Sandy, that we can see here, yeah. That clay soil is so little water here, yeah. Why, mister? Oh, it's so fast, mister. Wow, it's so fast. The water that can trap it so fast. But why, mister? That is the same soil, but why that is different?
Because sandy soil made up
Made up of layers.
layer.
A big or a
No.
small?
Made up of big grains.
Because sandy soil is made up of a big grains. So
No. Kalau sandy
yes,
big grains.
big grains. Don't be confused, Mister. Yeah, remember that sandy soil is made up of big grains. Yeah, and the spaces between the grains are big, so more water can pass through it. Yeah, but why that's in clay soil the water is little here, Mister?
made up
Because clay soil is made up of a very small grains.
grain.
So the spaces between the grains are small, and then so the water less, so less water can pass through it. Nah, maybe that we can explain by using Indonesia, Mister. Nah, kalau clay soil itu kan tanahnya terdiri dari butiran yang sangat kecil ya, Mister ya. Nah, sehingga jarak antara butirannya yang sangat kecil tadi dengan air itu, sehingga airnya itu tidak bisa melewati sepenuhnya, tidak bisa lolos ya, kalau bisa dibilang ya. Jadi terhalang dengan butiran yang kecil-kecil tadi. Nah, sehingga airnya yang lolos di sini itu sedikit. Nah, you can see here.
What about sandy soil, Miss?
Nah, sandy soil itu kan terdiri dari butiran yang besar.
Big grains.
Big grains.
Yes,
Nah, so the space between the grains are big, sehingga jaraknya antara air dengan butirannya itu tadi itu kan besar, Mister. Nah, sehingga air yang larut dalam tanah ini semakin cepat dan itu lebih banyak dibandingkan dengan clay soil here, ya. Oke, do you understand, Kakak? Oke, I hope that they understand ya, Mister, because it's different that we can so we can conclude that clay soil is made up of a very small grains, and the space between the grains are small, so less water can through it. And then it's different with sandy soil. How about sandy soil, Mister?
Sandy soil made of
the big grains, and the space between the grains are big, so more, not less, okay, more water can pass through it, so you can see.
You can see.
This
is sandy soil.
This is clay soil. Less water and more water. Okay, I think enough, Mister. I think enough. We can play today, But be careful, Mister. The water. Be careful. Okay. Nah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mister. Nah, I hope that the students or my friends, can understand about clay and sandy soil, do you want to ask me something, Mister?
No, Miss.
Okay.
I understand about it.
Okay. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, good. Nah, okay. I think that's all. Yes, our explanation, our experiments today. Our
experiment.
That we play together, Nah, we play together by using soil. Maybe next time we can play by using grass. maybe that you can play using grass, Okay. Enough, Mister?
Enough, Mister.
Okay. I think that's all our experiment today and our explanation about sandy soil and clay soil. We can close our meeting today. Okay. I'm sorry if we are making mistakes to you. See you for the next video. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.